Hi everybody, I'm here to show you how to preserve your florals. Instead of trashing your beautiful buds, let's transform them into lovely pressed creations. There are several ways to press flowers. Some people use wooden presses. Some people use a quicker microwave method. This was a flower press that we did with the microwave. It turned out really nice. We put it on a frame and had a photo shoot with my previous employer. Today I'm going to show you how to press with a book. Every few weeks, I buy a bouquet and enjoy the flowers in my living room, my bedroom, wherever. Just before they completely dry up, I cut them and easily press them into this Bartlett's book. I find that older books have a more forgiving spine than newer books. Also, it looks charming as hell in older books. So here are some tips. Fresh is best when you want to retain more vibrant colors, but I like when they look a little bit more aged. Keep in mind that certain flowers hold higher amounts of water, which could mean mold. Parchment can trap water and create mold. So using paper is better if you want to protect your book pages. You can also pluck the center of a bulky flower if you want it to look more flat. And handle your flowers with tweezers for a more gentle touch. So what do we do with these pressed flowers? Lots of people frame them and arrange them in a very cute way. You can preserve your wedding flowers for a nostalgic touch. I know wedding flowers are not cheap, so it would be a shame to just throw them out. I like to keep mine in old books. As you see, it's really nice when I pick up that book and years later I just stumble upon a dried rose inside of it. I also like to include them in letters to my friends or family. I've also seen others use epoxy resin and they create home goods with it, like coasters or coasters. I don't know. Pinterest it. Get creative and let me know what you make. Take photos and tag me. I'd love to see what you do. If you have any other tips, which I'm sure there are many, leave them in the comments below. Let us all know so we could try new things. See you in the next one. Smell a flower. Instead of trashing your beautiful buds, you can preserve your wedding flowers for a nostalgic. Smells pretty good. Smell that. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Okay, now to do the things. Ew, gross.